Hi, this is Chantel from WTI. When our son showed an interest in wanting to learn how to play the piano, we purchased this RockJam keyboard and it's been so fun for him. There is a voucher that comes with your purchase for a trial for an app you can download called Simply Piano, which walks you through learning how to read music, play notes, and which fingers to use when playing each note, which makes learning really easy. I like that it has a headphone input so my son can practice without disturbing anyone. The LCD screen indicates which keys and chords should be played, and it has over 100 different rhythms that you can add to your songs, and you can even create your own. I love the recording feature so that my son can create music and play it back for us. This keyboard has so many neat features. So if you or someone you know is wanting to learn how to play the piano, I definitely recommend this RockJam, but that's just my point of view.